Well, hundreds of Glynn County students are in quarantine. The school district says 19 students have tested positive for COVID-19. 10 staff members also tested positive for the virus, but educators tonight are asking parents not to worry about the numbers. All Your Side's Troy Kless has this story tonight in our learning curve.
Behind me at Glynn Academy here in Brunswick is where most of the COVID-19 cases among students have been reported so far this year. The county's PTA president says that she feels that the numbers reflect an abundance of caution from the school district. Glynn Academy students move on in between class. The secondary school reported 12 of the district's cases among students this year. More than 200 students in quarantine due to positive COVID-19 cases. Heather Colvin, president of the Glynn County PTA, giving her thoughts on the numbers.
Although it's a high number, I understand why it's high, and that's because of the abundance of caution that the administration at Glynn County and the schools are taking.
For perspective, Superintendent Dr. Scott Spence says that's less than 2% of their population. The district is working with the local health department on contact tracing. Students must quarantine between 10 and 14 days. School has been in session for nearly 2 weeks, but Colvin thinks both the district and parents are making necessary adjustments.
I think everyone is working with it and is satisfied and doesn't see that the school system is doing anything that would be detrimental. I think they're doing everything possible to make sure that this is a good, safe environment for our children and our teachers.
The school district updates their case totals daily, which you can find in this story on firstcoastnews.com. In Glynn County, Troy Kless, First Coast News, on your side.